Profe Nano.
Made for the little ones to start learning Spanish. Season 1, Episode 3. Profe Nano, what are we learning today?
We are learning about colors.
That sounds like a really fun lesson. Do you know how to say colors in Spanish?
Sí, los colores.
That's right! Los colores. Can you say it at home? Los colores. Wow, you're already sounding great.
You can do this. Teacher Catalina, your face is turning a different color.
No, you're joking.
No, I'm serious.
¿Qué color ves? What color do you see?
Verde.
¿Verde?
Sí.
¿Mi cara es verde? My face is green?
Sí.
Are you sure?
Sí.
¿Qué color ves? What color?
Verde.
Profe Nano, you started this. Ding! Now your face is also a different color.
¿Qué color ves?
¿Qué color ves? Veo, I see, azul. Veo azul. Azul. Profe Nano, can you say the color of your face?
Azul.
Muy bien. You try. Excellent.
Great job.
Azul.
I get where this is going.
Where?
This is a color game.
¿Un juego de colores?
Sí.
¡Ting! ¿Qué color ves?
Veo amarillo.
¿Amarillo?
Sí.
Let's try it together. Amarillo. Very good.
Awesome.
Okay, let's keep playing this game. Ding!
¿Qué color ves?
Veo rojo. Rojo. I know, there's a lot of an R sound. Rojo. Just do your best. Good job.
I see where this is going. Let's keep playing. Ding!
¿Qué color ves?
Veo negro.
¿Negro?
Sí.
Negro. Good job.
Negro. Awesome.
This next color is going to look great with that bow tie. Ding!
¿Qué color ves?
Veo naranja. Naranja. Can you say it? Good try. Try again. Naranja. That sounded great.
Awesome. That dress will look good with ding.
¿Qué color ves?
Veo blanco.
Blanco.
Sí.
Blanco. Very well. I have one last color up my sleeve, and I think Profe Nano has one after that. So let's see what comes out.
¿Qué color ves?
Veo rosado. Rosado. Great try. Rosado. Excellent job.
Awesome. For the ting finale. Ting.
¿Qué color ves?
Veo morado.
¿Morado?
Sí.
Let's say it together. Morado. Morado. Excelente.
Sí.
You guys did fantastic! Profe Nano! Chocalas! We are so excited that you joined us to learn about the colors. Los colores.
Click the subscribe button. See that red button that says subscribe? Click it to make it gray. Then click the like button if you liked this video. Make it blue. Then you see that bell? For the grand finale, make it go ring-a-ling-ding-ding. Thank you for watching. This is Profe Nano with Teacher Catalina. Bye!